Good morning, I'm Benoît Gruber, Marketing Director of TRES1, and I'm speaking to you from our new offices in Paris La Défense. So, product specification, packaging management, compliance monitoring, or sourcing has many challenges or issues you face daily. So let me suggest you discover how TRES1 can support you. For this one, we will discuss with Sophie Chevalier, our Chief Revenue Officer. Hello, Sophie. How are you?
Good. How are you? Good morning, Benoit. I'm happy to be here.
Fantastic, fantastic. Thank you, Sophie. I think we have many topics we can discuss all together. But let's start finally with key value you will define for TRES1.
You want a pitch elevator?
Absolutely, a pitch elevator.
Yes. So TRES1 was born 20 years ago. Our core business is to create a platform to help brand owners and retailers to create products, remarkable products, in a very short time and with monitoring all the information that is required. We were born in the white label industry, and now we are opening to many other environments.
I see. I understand that today one of key issues is packaging management, correct?
Yes, correct. This is a trend that we see everywhere in the world. And that's great because we are all conscious of the planet and the environment. And on any product today, the consumer really wants to measure his impact and to make a difference. They don't want to use plastic that is not recyclable, and they want to make sure that they buy the right product for the planet. So,
And is it just in terms of environmental impact?
not only environment. On the packaging, you also have all the information that is necessary for the consumer, the ingredients, the origin of the product, all the pesticide, all the information like you can find with the Nutri-Score, which is now very famous in Europe and also in some other regions of the world today. But on the packaging, there's a lot of information, and this is a challenge for anyone who is building a product.
So if I understand well, Sophie, packaging management challenges are about environmental impact, product information delivered, and also design.
Yes, this is correct. And in our solution, in the packaging module, you can manage labeling with all the stakeholders, creative agencies, design agencies, product managers, product marketing managers. Everybody can collaborate into the platform to make sure that the product and the packaging of the product are quickly made and very in the best time possible, because this is the challenge for them.
So all packaging projects can be managed by TRES1 Solution finally.
Yes, from A to Z, we are here to help you on the full life cycle of the product. That's called the PLM. And we help from the sourcing to the shelf, any product R&D, any product manager to launch the products.
And if I want to find a new supplier for new packaging,
yes,
do you do it?
Of course, you use our marketplace. So at the very beginning of the cycle, you have a marketplace called TRES1 Marketplace on TRES1 Network. This is allowing all suppliers to display their product. You can find a packaging, but you can find any material all over the world, all over the place. The access to display your products is for free. So this is very important, and it allows anyone to go and pick up the best solutions, find new suppliers, find new products all over without traveling.
Oh, and if you want, for example, select or benchmark some supplier, could you do it also?
Yes, any buyers can use our new module called RFX. It allows them to make RFPs, RFQs, RFIs, and compare any product that is available on the marketplace. They can ask for samples, but they can also compare all the quality, the ingredients, compare the proposals, make the selection, manage the suppliers in a database, and everything, all this information is stored in the same solution. So it's very practical, and it avoids any other usage of solutions that that would create data workflows on top of this.
Oh, that's cool. So does it mean, Sophie, that finally a buyer can manage their full processes for RFX in one place?
Yes. Yeah, so with the RFX module, they can buy from the marketplace, they can use the RFX, manage the suppliers, use our compliance module, and this is really a new way for TraceOne to work with buyers.
So no more Excel sheets for buyers?
No more Excel sheets, no more other solutions, everything in one place. So this is really a way to accelerate the launch of the products. And it's really a way to avoid mistakes, win time, and be more efficient.
So this is a new module?
Yes, it was launched at the end of February, but we have much more.
Brilliant. Thank you, Sophie. So TraceOne is also famous for product specification management, correct?
Yes, so our DNA was specification. So that's how TraceOne was born. Indeed, in the solution, all the specification of those products, so not only the packaging, but also the recipes are stored in our specification module. Again, this is a collaborative solution, and everybody is working together with the different stakeholders, and all this data is stored in one place. This is very important because there's a lot of information when you create a product.
And nothing news about this platform?
We always have some news. We try to add new modules, new functionalities, new partners, anything with added value, constantly evolving. So.
Do you have an example about the last added value?
For example, we do partnerships. We give our customers the possibility to do things that that are complementary to our core activities. For example, a partnership in the UK with a company called Mintech, and the objective is to propose to our buyers to have pricings on their raw material, and with the addition of this tool, they can select, they can create with us, and they can check the pricing of the cost of goods for the solution. So they provide pricing in real time. So it's a big help, and it's complementary to what we offer. We have also some partnerships with Citeo, for example, on the packaging that help our customers to be at the top of what is expected today. Or we also have signed a recent partnership with ConsoTrust to help the validation of the data. As I said earlier, the data is key. It's very important to have accurate information for the consumers. So with ConsoTrust, this is helping them to accelerate the validation of this data.
Oh, so partner, and I think also you had some specific dashboard for retailers, yes, and CPG.
You're perfectly right, Benoit. When you do all these products, it's very important to monitor and to follow all this information. We've created a few months ago some functionalities called Inside Dashboards, and it gives the possibility in a few clicks to go deep into this data. For example, I want to see how much salt I have in all my product if I'm a retailer, and in a few clicks you can check all the categories of products that are available to the consumers, check where's too much sugar or salt, and you can make some action plans to correct, to make better products with less salt, or it's working with every pesticide, everything. So this is a really sexy dashboards, and it's a tool for management that is really making the difference. It also, I want to mention that suppliers also have the possibility to use our dashboards when they use our specification module. And the same thing, they can follow all their product with the different retailers, all the information that is available in a few clicks to them. So that's very, very interesting.
Brilliant. So new module with RFX processes for buyers, insight to manage finally analytics about your products, new partner. Anything new for the future?
As I said, we don't stop to create new things. We are about to finish a module called QMS that will allow any retailer or big supplier to validate the quality of the product. If they want to do audit sites, and they all do audit sites, they will be able to have all this information in the same platform. So look for the QMS module that will be launched in a few weeks.
So let's have a new rendezvous in June, finally, Sophie.
I hope so. Yes, it'll be a great pleasure.
Thank you for your time. And really, I think it was very useful, all information you share with us. And I appreciate finally your time you spent with us.
It's a pleasure, Benoit.
Thank you, Sophie. I hope this one serves to understand how finally TrustOne can support your business challenges. For retailer, of course, as you have so many challenges, but also when you are a CPG manufacturer, we have something for you, and you can use finally our TrustOne platform. Thank you for your attention, and take care.